Well, if you like to press flowers, I've got a wonderful new toy that I wanted to show you. I just got this and I've been having a lot of fun with it. What I have here is a microwave flower press. And you can see here that it's basically made up of 2 terracotta tiles on the top. Now these each weigh about 2 pounds, so they're nice and heavy to press your plant material. Then inside of that is actually 2 wool pieces of fabric here, and these basically help absorb the moisture from the material. Then there are 2 pieces of cotton, and then you see where you put your plants. Now I've got several plants here, you can see how light they are, they're blowing away, that I actually dried in the microwave. Now if you press plants the traditional way, you know it takes about 2 or 3 weeks to actually get the flowers dried and pressed. And the beauty of this is that you notice here that the colors in the flowers are actually a lot more brilliant than they are if you use the traditional method to press plants. The other great thing about it is that this only takes 2 to 3 minutes instead of 2 to 3 weeks. Now I basically put the plant material in here and then covered it again with all of this and zapped it in the microwave for about 30 seconds at a time. Now it will depend on the plant material that you use as to how long it takes, and it also depends on your own microwave. But you can experiment with that and see what it takes. But this is actually available from Lee Valley Tool Company, and it sells for about $18. And if you like to press flowers and do crafts with them, you'll really enjoy this because it's a very quick way to get some very pretty pressed flowers.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.